Just like protocol calendars can have different versions, subject calendars can have different versions as well. For example, if our protocol was amended to add a 30-day safety follow-up visit after the end of treatment visit, an amendment would be submitted to REDCap, and the project analyst would build a new calendar version to contain the updated schedule. Looking at our subject calendar here, we can see there's no 30-day safety follow-up visit, and that our subject's on calendar version 1. Let's go back to the CRA console, and we can look over here. We're at the accrual information, and we can see the calendar version column next between status date and the last visit column. Down at the bottom here, we see the Switch Calendar Versions drop-down menu at the bottom right. And when we click on that, we can see the available calendar versions. If we want to update a subject to the most recent calendar version, we can select the calendar version from the drop-down menu and select the subject by checking the box next to their name at the end of the column. And then click Replace Versions. All right, we can go back to the subject console and view the subject calendar. And we can now see that they're on calendar version 2 and that the safety follow-up visit is present. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you're updating subject calendars is you might run into orphaned visits. An orphaned visit is one that occurs when a visit that has been checked into a previous calendar version, so calendar version 1 in this case, is absent in the future calendar version. When the subject is moved to the future calendar version, the visit that was checked in that is absent will become an orphaned visit. So in this case, if the end of treatment visit was removed for some reason and had to be rebuilt. Orphaned visits are not usually related to changes in the protocol, but rather they result from changes in how the visit segments were changed between calendar versions in Encore itself. If this does occur, the orphan visits simply need to be manually entered into the new calendar version. And once that's done, the subject's records will be complete.